Tell me what you want and play your part. I see some darkness in you, girl. That's why you worry about my thoughts and if my heart is true.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Azure back in the cut with another YouTube video from the Bronx. And today I am back with another Skims haul. But today we're doing a mini Skims haul because I've been spending a lot on Skims and I just need a break. But I still want to give y'all the content, so I'm giving y'all a mini haul. But it's still a big deal because Skims fit the body good. Anyways, let me stop ranting. If y'all want to see what's in this mini Skims haul, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. So I got this right after the Memorial Day sale, so I did pay full price. I did pay full price for this. They got me again. But I'm very excited to unbox this. If I go open this box. Alright. So you already know when I open it, it has a nice little Skims paper across the top. There's been 2 times in my life where it hasn't had it, and we're not going to even be negative right now, so we're going to just skip past that. But I paid for that paper. Why are you not putting the paper in the box? But this is how it looks when I unbox it. The invoice, I guess you would call it, comes on top of the box along with the 2 Skims items, which come in biodegradable bags, which are better for the environment than any other bag that you would get clothing items in. So yeah, cotton rib tank in the size medium in the color kyanite. This is my first time ever trying the cotton rib tank. I've tried the soft lounge tank, but never the cotton rib. It's so pretty. Look at it. It goes well with my skin. So this is how it looks. I don't know why I expected something else, but this is really cute. Super stretchy, could have got a small. And it's just such a pretty color. Like, look at it. Can y'all see? Because sometimes my focus be bugging. Yeah, y'all can see. It kind of comes off similar to deep sea on camera, but I promise you in person, it's a very...
As soon as I put it on, I was like...
Shout out to whoever's playing on my phone.
So comfortable. Skims? Like...
Thicker Ray? Shout out to you because clearly my camera wants to give you a shout out. Or the universe. And it's 333. Okay, angel numbers. Anyways, so this is the tank top. It's very cute. The blue is very beautiful. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It looks like a sea blue, like a mineral blue, but it's kyanite. But it looks like a mineral blue if you ask me. Just very, 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 very pretty. And I know it's gonna look great against my skin because it's like a blue, but like a mauve blue. Don't even ask me what mauve means, but this is really cute. On to the leggings. They came packaged like this. I got the same or matching leggings. Are they matching because you don't get them in a set? Yeah, matching leggings in a size large. This is how the leggings look. It's so pretty. I can't wait to try them on. And then look how much stretch it gives you in the butt area. This is what I'm talking about. I could definitely size down to a medium, right? I'm not bugging. I can size down to a medium. But these is big as hell. But this is how it looks. Nice and pretty and beautiful and long. We love a long legging. Now I'm gonna give you a tip that I'm starting to, well, a tip that I taught myself about ordering Skims leggings. With Skims leggings, you really have to size down because when you get your size or a size up, you listening? When you get your size or a size up and you wash it and you dry it consecutively, it loses its shape. So every single time you try on the leggings, you're gonna think that it's shrinking, but in reality, since it has nothing to hold on to, as well as it did when you first unpackaged it, it rises up. So for example, I have 2 extra large cotton rib leggings in the color onyx, and you would think because they're extra large they would hit my ankle, but because her clothes rely so much on stretch, they actually ride up because they have nothing to cling onto because it's already stretched out. And I tried to explain it to one of my subscribers in the comments, but hopefully this makes more sense. Like, the tighter you get the legging, the longer it will appear because you're stretching it out, opposed to you getting something that's very loose when you buy it, it's gonna just loosen up over time. It's kind of like underwear, very much so like underwear, if that makes sense. It's not gonna hold its place because it's stretched out. So that's what I would say about these leggings. Even though they're damn near $60, if you get a big size, it will grow. It will lose its shape over time. That's the only way I can explain it. Please let me know in the comments if that made any sense. But that's my key to Skims leggings. Like if I were to size down to a medium, I know the length on this would be a dramatic difference because they're so stretchy. It's gonna cling to my ankles more than if I get a looser. Y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all have to know what I'm saying. The bigger you get it, the shorter it will be because it doesn't have anything to hold on to. If you get it really small, it's gonna hold on to your legs so much that it's gonna stretch all the way to the bottom and it's gonna hit your ankles. So I'm gonna try this outfit and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think of it. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think of the cotton rib tank because the soft lounge tank softness is undefeated. I've never even tried this on, but I know that the soft lounge tank is the softest tank they ever had because I tried their boyfriend tank. I tried their soft lounge tank. Soft lounge is like out of this world. I don't know what they put in the material, but it feels like you're wearing nothing. And that's the goal. To not feel restricted or weighed down by your clothes. To still look beautiful and still look sexy and still look put together and uniform. Not uniform, but still look put together and classy, but don't feel like the clothes is wearing you. You wear the clothes, you know? But I'm chatting, so I'm going to try this on and I'm going to get right back to y'all and let y'all know all the details on the fit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have the Kyanite cotton rib legging set on, and to be honest, it's very comfortable like all the other cotton rib sets I've tried on. To start with the tank top, as I've shown y'all, is very cropped. Like I don't even think the soft lounge tank is as cropped as this tank, so that's something to keep in mind. So as far as the leggings go, the leggings are very comfortable. They hit me all the way down to my ankle. They're very smoothing. The only thing I will say is the lower belly area is more prominent than me wearing a black cotton rib leggings. Because they're a lighter color, they show more, they glorify more of your pudgy areas. Does that make sense? So if you wear all black, you know how black is slimming? I thought this color would be slimming because it was a dark color. It's not like it's an iris mica or a light gray color, so I thought it would be more slimming, but it's actually kind of doing the opposite, which is fine. I feel like it's kind of doing the opposite as well because I have on a thong, and usually I wear boy short underwears with all my leggings, and the boy short underwears really like suck in my waist. So that's really why I wear them, so I can have some type of tummy control. But since this is my first time wearing the Skims cotton rib thong under my leggings, it's not really giving me the tummy support that I would want. But yeah, all in all, I really like this set. The color is very different and very pretty. I don't know how opaque it would be in the sunlight as I'm walking down the block, because like I said before, I usually wear full bottom underwears under my leggings because I hate when the sun shines on my butt and everybody can see my butt. It's basically like I'm naked because I'm already wearing skin tight clothes. I don't want everybody to see my behind. So I don't know how it's going to look in the sun. And like I said before, this is my first time trying on Skims thongs, so that will completely expose my butt under these leggings. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. But I really do like this set. I always prefer darker colors more than I do lighter colors. This is like the perfect medium between dark and light colors. I would consider deep sea a good color. I would consider garnet a good color because I feel like those are very contouring. This is like right in the middle. Like it shows a little bit of what you don't want to see and it shows a little bit of what you do want to see because it's like light but dark mixed together. I don't know how to describe it. I thought it would be a darker shade, but it's kind of light. It's kind of showing some of the things I don't want to show. Sorry, I'm looking down. I'm looking in the mirror to see what I was thinking. Nah, let me stop playing. I really do like this set. I just need better underwear under this because I don't like any type of pudginess in my lower stomach area. Not right above your crotch. It looks weird. But that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what Skims haul you guys want to see next. I know there's a lot of lines that I haven't done. I've never done the cozy collection. I've never done the jacquard collection. I've never done the ribbed collection. I think that's what it's called. Smooth rib. Don't remember. What else have I never tried? Yeah. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. I'm sorry my brain is so fuzzy. I don't know what's going on with me today. Like, even enunciation is very hard for me. I think I'm hungry, to be honest. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. I really appreciate all of you guys. Please let me know in the comments any questions you guys have for me, any suggestions you guys have for me, anything I need to work on, anything you guys want to see in the future. Please let me know. I'll see you in my next Skims video. Be safe out there. Talk to you later.